So you don't have any money, you don't know how to make money online, but you really want to get started. Affiliate marketing is going to be just the thing for you in 2019. Check it out. Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You want to know something? We're going to help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Yo guys, what's up? It's the Dropshipping Terminator. Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel, we talk all about that e-commerce life, baby, all about that Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, affiliate marketing, which is what this video is about. All types of stuff, man. If you like that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit, get into the free Facebook group, you know, because that's where we drop all the knowledge on you. And yeah, so for all you regulars, you know what time it is. It's time to go ahead and get right into it. So, guys, affiliate marketing is not the simplest thing to do, but when you have the right strategies in place, you can kickstart your journey and actually start making money. Now, I know affiliate marketing can, it can definitely rattle your nerves. It rattles ours, and it can drive you nuts at times. Okay, because you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do. Everyone's telling you to do all these, you know, basic UGG wearing, pumpkin spice drinking things. But, you know, what you should focus on, mastering the lower level and then progressing. Okay, so stop all this other basic BS. Let's get to the root. Okay, now we're going to start at the beginner level and then we'll take you to the more intermediate to advanced. As a beginner, okay, the easiest thing for you to do if you don't know Facebook ads, if you don't know how to run any kind of paid traffic, if you don't really know any type of internet marketing or advertising, straight up get set up with an Amazon affiliate account, okay? Amazon affiliates, it does not pay the most, but trust me, it will be one of the easiest things that you can possibly do. Because everyone shops on Amazon, right? You get your Amazon affiliate, your Amazon affiliate account. Start searching for products that your friends like. You guys all have social media at this point. Obviously, you do because you're looking at this on YouTube. So it's safe to say that you probably have a Facebook or an Instagram or maybe a mix of the two. Maybe even a Snapchat. You out there with the disappearing pictures. I'm not cool with that, but whatever. You guys are gonna find products that your friends are talking about, guys. Like if you know your friend is talking about, an Evo exhaust or something. Let's say, you're a car nut like I am. You have a lot of friends that are into cars and they're like, yeah, man, I'm looking at getting an exhaust, blah, 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 blah. So why in the world would you not get your affiliate link for a cheaper exhaust? Like, yo, bro, you should check this exhaust out. Here it is on Amazon. They don't know that it's an affiliate link. They just know that you're trying to help them out. Guess what? If they go and buy anything, doesn't matter what it is on Amazon, you get a commission for it, okay? Even if they don't buy the exhaust, let's say they find something else that they like. Once they get to Amazon, there's a cookie that's placed on the client side, all right? It's kind of technical, but whatever. Just know that Amazon tracks it, okay? Amazon tracks it, and whatever they buy, you get a commission for. All right, that's the most simplistic way to start off with affiliate marketing. I kid you not. It does not get much easier than that. Amazon is one of the world's, if not the world's largest online marketplace at this point. You could easily make a few $100s doing this. Just seeing what your friends need on social media, making suggestions and using your affiliate link to get paid. Guys, it's really, really easy. Super easy. And then you can graduate to the next level. So you start off with Amazon affiliates, guys. All you have to do is have an Amazon affiliates account and start helping your friends with their needs. Because every single day, someone's complaining about something that they need something. Find it on Amazon, like, yo, man, check this out. It's over on Amazon. You should definitely look at it. Boom, whatever they buy, you get a commission for it. It's cool. Even your family, if you know your friends and family are shopping on Amazon that day, you be like, yo, hold up. Use my link. You get paid, they're still gonna shop anyway. Like, why would they not, support you? So the next thing is where, you may have an understanding of how paid advertisement works, Facebook ads, Google AdWords, YouTube ads, stuff like that. What you're gonna want to do is set up a ClickFunnels account. So you get ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is very generous, by the way, with their affiliate offer. Believe me, like you'll definitely thank me later with having a ClickFunnels account, okay? You're gonna use ClickFunnels to build out landing pages, all right? So that way you can place your pixel on your Facebook pixel or your Google pixel, your Google AdWords pixel, and that way you can track the traffic. That's what you're going to need to do in order to whittle down your audiences, create lookalike audiences, things like that. Know if those campaigns are working properly, but you have to have a page to do so. ClickFunnels just makes it easy, and it also has its own affiliate access. So why not? Like, you're gonna, you can get paid affiliate commission for people signing up for ClickFunnels. It's like the premier funnel builder on the planet, guys. Like, everyone knows about it. You can make a little money with it. Why not, right? So you set up your landing pages, for different offers. So now you have your Amazon affiliates, you have your ClickFunnels affiliates, and then, you start getting into things like ClickBank, where there's tons of affiliate offers on ClickBank. There's other sites, but you're going to need landing pages to really do it properly, to host everything, and then set up your pixels so that way you can track. Now, once you start getting into this realm, you're going to have to start running, very effective paid advertisements. Video converts far better than static ads. If you guys did not know, it does. So you want to run video ads. All right. So whether that's going to be you shooting videos or you getting a professional videographer like we have, thank you, Crispy. It does not matter at this point, okay? Just know that video converts better than static ads. If you are gonna use static ads, you make sure you go to Fiverr, get some really good Facebook and Instagram ads made. You can use influencers if you choose. I definitely recommend building your own Instagram accounts. We'll talk about this in another video, but grow your own Instagram account, and then that way you can promote through your own pages instead of paying someone hundreds of dollars to do so. But you're gonna be promoting these affiliate offers through these landing pages and using paid traffic. It's a little bit more complicated, but that is the next step, and it's much more efficient on a grand scale. If you're trying to scale up with affiliate marketing, then you're going to want to be able to use landing pages and funnels to get people in with an initial offer. They're like, okay, this seems kind of cool. I don't know. They try to jump out, next thing you know, you retarget them, you'll have an autoresponder set up, something like MailChimp, where you can send them emails, things of that nature. So, we're getting a little bit, further down a rabbit hole, but just know that the most basic level, you want to be using something like Amazon affiliates, and at the intermediate level, you want to be, the intermediate to advanced level, you want to be running paid advertisement, you want to be running paid traffic. Now, we will get into Facebook ads a little bit later on to help you guys out, to kind of show you what campaigns you can use for different things, whether that's going to be drop shipping or affiliate marketing. But just know that you definitely will be running paid traffic, and you want something that's going to convert very well. Now, not all affiliate offers are going to be great. Some are going to be very terrible. Some are only going to offer 2 or 3%, but that's okay as long as you're converting and you're making more money than what you're spending on paid traffic. All right, obviously we'll have to get into that too, but this is just to show you how simplistic it is to start getting in with affiliate marketing in 2019. Amazon affiliates is the easiest. It's the ground level. It's free. You can definitely make money with it. We make money with it. Whenever anyone is getting ready to shop on Amazon, hand them that affiliate code. If they're looking for something specific, like, yo, hold up one sec, I got you. Find it, send it out there. If someone's looking for something on Facebook, yo, drop your link out there. Guys, it is the most simplistic thing to do, but a lot of people don't do it. If you're trying to jumpstart and get a little capital to start your other e-commerce ventures or getting into whatever else, maybe your brick and mortar, this is a perfect way to do so. If you have to pay daycare or you got some other unexpected bills come up like car repairs, definitely start at the lowest level possible and then work your way up. Now, once you start getting to the next level, if you don't have like a YouTube channel, like a big enough audience, then obviously you'll be using paid traffic for it. You guys know we're affiliates for AMZ Scout Pro. It helps us make money, helps our students make money, and we have an audience to cater to. Like, hey guys, this is what we use and this is why you should use it. You don't necessarily have to click our affiliate link, but if you do, it helps us out, and you get free trials and all this. Same with payability. You guys get more money if you come through us as opposed to going elsewhere, just going through payability. You don't have to do it, but whatever. And that's how it's going to work for you in 2019. You're going to start small, scale up, and then get to the level where you have, a natural audience. Now, granted, we really didn't talk about getting into YouTube and building all these audiences out. We really just Instagram is kind of the way to go for someone at a lower level. But you can have a YouTube channel where you talk about all these different offers and what they can do for you and so on and so forth. And people will generally, buy because they trust you as long as they work. Like, don't be an affiliate for anything that you don't actually use, because it's really scammy. But yeah, so that's how you're gonna break into it in 2019, guys. It's very basic, it's very fundamental. All you have to do is start there, and then you can scale. All right, Amazon affiliates account. Start there. You can move over to Swappa. We actually have a video on the channel talking about Swappa. You know how you can be an affiliate for Swappa, and that way you don't even have to sell cell phones. You don't have to flip them. You literally just get your affiliate link, boom, send people to them. There you go, done and done. It's kind of similar to Amazon affiliates except for cell phones. Okay, so yeah, there's that. Now that being said, man, you guys already know what to do. Please get into the Facebook group if you want any type of knowledge on Amazon dropshipping. You know, we have all the other YouTubers in there like Ty, Tyler, Matt, whatever. If you have questions that we can't answer, they're going to be in there to help you out. So yeah, that being said, man, be safe, be smart. Don't be out there getting into trouble. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.